guys, happy Cinco de Mayo. We're out here on the lake celebrating one of our favorite holidays. Favorite because we like Mexico. We go to Mexico often, and we like to pretend this is kind of our own private Mexico. So on this day, we are drinking spicy watermelon margaritas. Easy to make, and I want to share the recipe with you. So I'm going to put the phone down here. I'm going to get a mixing glass and a couple cuts of watermelon, you know, something about that size, 2 of those, a jalapeno, about a 1/4 inch jalapeno. We're going to put about an ounce of simple syrup. I'm not using any Cointreau or triple sec with this. We're just going pure simple syrup. Same thing with the lime. We're going to do about an ounce of lime. So I'm going to squeeze 1 whole lime into the drink. Another half. All right. And then I'm going to muddle. I want to shake the phone because it's kind of delicately placed up there, but maybe you can see that. Break it all up. Add a couple ice cubes. And then we're going to add 2 ounces of tequila. We're using Casamigos, kind of a household favorite there. And then we're going to shake. But before we go any further, let's salt up the rim. I mentioned before it's not a margarita without salt, and I stand by that. It is not a margarita without salt, so nothing wrong with a little salt, a little electrolytes. And if you use a good salt, we're using a Celtic sea salt. It's, you know, high in mineral content, tastes great, works fantastic with the margarita. There we are. Now, I'm going to strain it. Add some ice. And garnish with a jalapeno. And there you have the spicy watermelon margarita. Fantastic.